In this video, I am going to show you how to copy paste between sheets in numbers. So let's see how we can do this thing. This is on sample table and there is another table here. So we need to copy this data inside this table. So let's see how we can do this thing. Before copy paste this data, we just need to confirm whether the number of columns are similar. So here we see 1, 2, 3, 4 columns are there and there is 5 columns are there, right? But here 1, 2, 3, 4 columns are there. So for this case, we must need to be careful that the number of columns and the number of columns title are similar. Otherwise, the copy paste will not work properly from one sheet to another sheet. So what we need to do? So we see the columns are same. Here also the columns are the same based on these two sheets. Now we need to highlight the data which we want to copy, and then we can press the command key and CT together, copy, or right click, or you can choose copy, and then we have to come to the sheet and here we can paste it. There are different ways to paste it, but I'm going to show you the easiest way, which is command V, and it will be pasted like this way, but it's not formatted properly. So to paste it formatted way like this way, what we can do, we can paste from here, edit, and we can use paste and match style, and it will be pasted based on the previous style. And that's it. In this way we can copy and paste between sheets in numbers.